Hello, welcome to BA Survival. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a survival bracelet out of jute twine. Jute twine is very useful because it's a natural material, so you can actually use it in a lot of different ways. Yes, you can use it for the cordage, but you can also use it for fire lighting and things. Check out my video for 5 ways how you can use jute twine to light a fire. So the bracelet that I'm going to be making today then is very simple to make and very quick release to undo. What I'm going to do though is get twice as much cordage as I need, and I'm going to actually reverse wrap it. 3 reasons. When it's on the bracelet, it looks a little bit nicer when it's reverse wrapped. Secondly, you actually get twice as much cordage for the same space. Thirdly, probably most importantly, one of the methods that you can use is the bow drill. On its own, the jute twine singly is fairly weak, so wrapping it on itself more than doubles the strength of the cord. Steps you don't really need to do, you can just move straight on to making the bracelet. I just think it helps. Secondly, what I'm going to do, when you get the jute twine, it's full of all these loose fibers and loose hairs. Really, what I'm going to do is just run the cord through the flame to get rid of all those little tag ends. Once I've done that, I've ran it through the candle, not left it in any one place for too long, and it's still got a few hairs, but it's certainly a lot better. It's moving clockwise and my left hand is moving counterclockwise, and that creates a tighter weave, and eventually it's going to form that kink. It's going to want to fold over on itself, so it's going to take a little time, but I'm just going to continue to do that same process. So twist one away from me and then fold them over towards each other. Okay, so once you've melted it and you've reverse wrapped it, you should have your cord like this. The first thing that you need to do is to tie a knot in one end. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create an S about the width of your wrist to go round and round. So twisting that in nice and tight, and then just continuing to twist that all the way down. You're probably going to need a little bit more cordage than this. This is about 4 or 5 feet, but for demonstration on a quick bracelet. Okay, so once I've gone that far, I'm just going to tuck that knot into this little loop that we've formed, and then cinch that down so it's tighter, or at least I would if I was going to use it as a bracelet. Like this one, so it goes all the way around. Then you put this in here, and then there's your bracelet. Now, if you wanted that to be a quick release, what we can do is undo this, just poke this knot out through there, and then take the knot that we used to tie it, and then pull, and we have our cordage. Again, this is only sort of maybe 4 foot. If you had 6 or 7 feet, then it would make a nice bracelet like this one.